Why didn't Polyev go for Baisakhi celebration?
Because Polyev is now, see,
वो इतना confident है क्या?
वो confident नहीं है. See, now I'm glad you've asked this question. You remember that Diwali fiasco of Pierre? वो जब उसने दिवाली इवेंट कैंसिल किया था लास्ट ईयर अक्टूबर नवंबर में. So it has all started going downhill for him in the 905 region since that day. I had the email of them cancelling the event from day one.
You tweeted about the
I held back because some of, I spoke to people inside the Conservative Party of Canada. As my job is as a, person who talks about news and politics. I was like, I have this email. They requested me to hold back. I was like, listen, I'm being very honest. They requested me personally to hold back. Give us a few days. We are rearranging the event. I was like, okay. And then they did not, and they tried some sly tactic. Their campaign team, which has, many people like Jenny Byrne runs the whole show. Arpan Khanna is the national outreach head. And all these people, they are they started to blow, oh, no, there is all fake news, all these people. Then I had to share the screenshot. And then that event showed how their politics of the 905 region is, the left hand doesn't know what the right hand is doing. There are good candidates who are really See, Indian community in general is a naturally conservative community. Naturally conservative वो लोग. Fiscally वो लोग को small government अच्छी लगती है, and even socially they have conservative values. Imagine this vote bank was like जिसको बोलते हैं ना थाली में परोस के waiting for you, and then you do that Diwali event. See, this was an event held by Mr. Deepak Oberoi, who was a veteran Canadian member of Parliament. He was a pillar of our community, and he used to do this event with others at the Parliament Hill. Now look at the irony. His daughter, Preeti, is fighting from the Liberal Party ticket against the Conservative candidate. This is where things have come down to. So the reason Pierre Poilievre's politics has been messed up in this entire thing. See, one thing I have to give to the Liberals, while I criticize them all the time, they play ethnic politics better than the Conservatives. See, Conservatives का क्या होता है? They try to behave like सस्ते Liberals. That's what they do. They look at what is Chacha doing. And then they try to ape Chacha. Chacha is original. They are always going to win. Look at Mark Carney's campaign till now. Do you see Mark Carney's photos with any those Khalistani flags around? किधर भी नहीं दिखेगा. Trudeau छोड़ दो. Trudeau was he is absolutely right when he says genuinely Trudeau मतलब वो तो विचित्र प्राणी था. मगर आप note करो, see these things when you are a political observer, you have to see how smart Mark Carney is.
Yeah.
He's so sharp. वो इधर नहीं जाएगा, ऐसे नहीं. He will entertain everyone, but he will not publicly show it. अभी मार्क कार्नी था, रामनवमी का हुआ. See, these are small messages, right? पियर पॉलिएव का आप देखो, कुछ कोई मैसेजिंग नहीं है रामनवमी के उधर. यार तुम पॉलिटिशियन हो, अच्छी पॉलिटिक्स तो खेलो ना. 905 is such an important region, यार 30 riding है.
Do subscribe to the ANI Clips channel to get shorter versions of this podcast. Click here to watch the full episode.